Imagine picking a small, unassuming flower from a garden. Its yellow bud almost looks like a tiny button, easy to overlook among the greenery. Now, picture yourself placing this curious little blossom on your tongue, not expecting much. But as you bite down, something extraordinary happens. Instantly, a wave of electric tingling spreads across your mouth, almost like a gentle shock or a fizzing sensation that dances on your taste buds. Your lips and tongue might even feel slightly numb, as if you've just experienced a natural, botanical spark. This is the remarkable effect of Spilanthes acmella, a plant affectionately known as the electric daisy or buzz button. Its vibrant yellow and red flowers are not just visually striking, they're nature's own little fireworks show for your senses. But Spilanthes is far more than a quirky party trick or a novelty for adventurous eaters. For generations, healers and herbalists across continents have treasured this plant, weaving it into the fabric of traditional medicine. In ancient apothecaries and village markets, its dried buds and fresh flowers have been used to treat a surprising range of ailments. The signature tingle you feel is actually a sign of powerful natural compounds at work, compounds that have been harnessed to soothe toothaches, calm inflamed gums, and even bolster the immune system. Herbalists have long prepared tinctures and teas from Spilanthes, relying on its unique chemistry to bring relief and resilience to those in need. Unlike many herbs, which work quietly and subtly, Spilanthes delivers instant, unmistakable feedback. It's a vivid reminder that nature's pharmacy is not only powerful, but also full of surprises, often hiding in plain sight, right in our gardens or local markets. As we journey deeper into the world of Spilanthes, we'll trace its path from the lush rainforests of the Amazon, where indigenous communities first discovered its remarkable properties, to bustling city kitchens and modern herbal clinics around the globe. This humble herb has traveled far, adapting to new cultures and uses along the way. We'll also explore the fascinating science behind its electrifying tingle. Researchers are only beginning to unlock the secrets of the plant's active ingredients, which interact with our nerves and immune system in ways that are both surprising and promising for future medicine. From relieving pain and inflammation in the mouth to soothing irritated skin, Spilanthes is proving itself as a versatile ally in natural healing. Its applications go far beyond folklore, finding a place in both traditional remedies and cutting-edge research. So, as we begin this exploration, remember, this is more than just the story of a single herb. It's an invitation to rediscover the astonishing healing power of plants and to reconnect with the wisdom that nature has offered us for centuries, sometimes in the most unexpected and electrifying ways. Spilanthes acmella, often called the toothache plant, is a fascinating low-growing herb that belongs to the daisy family, Asteraceae. Native to the lush tropical regions of South America, this plant thrives in warm, humid environments and is easily recognized by its vibrant appearance and unique properties. For centuries, it has grown wild in fields and gardens, where its resilience and adaptability have made it a staple in both traditional medicine and local cuisine. The most striking feature of Spilanthes is its bright yellow, cone-shaped flowers, each with a distinctive red center. These eye-catching blooms have led to a variety of common names, including toothache plant, paracress, and jambu. The flowers are not just beautiful, they're also packed with powerful compounds that have intrigued herbalists and scientists alike. Indigenous communities across South America have long recognized the remarkable properties of Spilanthes. Traditionally, the fresh leaves or flowers are chewed or applied directly to the gums to provide rapid relief from dental pain, earning the plant its nickname as the toothache plant. This natural remedy has been passed down through generations, valued for its effectiveness and accessibility. But Spilanthes isn't just a medicinal marvel, it's also a culinary delight. In Brazil, the leaves are a key ingredient in regional dishes like tacacá soup, where they add a distinctive tingling kick that awakens the palate. The unique sensation has made Spilanthes a favorite among adventurous chefs and food lovers who appreciate its ability to transform ordinary meals into memorable experiences. The secret behind Spilanthes' signature effects lies in a compound called spilanthol. This natural alkaloid is responsible for the plant's buzzing, numbing sensation, which can be felt almost instantly when the flower or leaf is chewed. Spilanthes not only soothes pain, but also stimulates saliva production, making it useful for dry mouth and oral health. Beyond its use for toothaches, Spilanthes has a long history as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Herbalists have used it to ease sore throats, reduce gum inflammation, and even support healthy digestion. Its versatility has made it a trusted ally in traditional healing systems, where it's often brewed into teas or incorporated into soothing herbal blends. Today, Spilanthes continues to inspire innovation. You'll find its extracts in a wide range of modern products, from herbal tinctures and mouthwashes to natural skincare and wellness formulas. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its remarkable versatility and the growing appreciation for plant-based remedies in contemporary health and beauty. By understanding the roots of Spilanthes, both literally and figuratively, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ancient wisdom and cultural traditions that have shaped its use. This powerful herb bridges the gap between past and present, reminding us of nature's incredible ability to heal, nourish, and inspire. Spilanthes is best known for its remarkable impact on oral health. Chewing its flower or leaf releases spilanthes, a natural anesthetic that quickly numbs pain. It also boosts saliva, which helps wash away bacteria and maintain a healthy mouth. Spilanthes' antibacterial and antifungal properties fight gum disease and oral thrush. Herbal mouthwashes and tinctures with Spilanthes can soothe sore gums, freshen breath, and speed healing of mouth ulcers. For targeted relief, a drop of tincture on a sore spot works wonders. Its versatility makes it a natural choice for anyone seeking better dental health. Spilanthes is a simple, effective way to support your mouth, naturally. Spilanthes isn't just for toothaches, it's a powerful immune ally. As an immunomodulator, it helps your body respond more efficiently to threats. Studies show Spilanthes stimulates immune cells, helping clear out bacteria and viruses faster. It's often included in herbal blends for colds and sore throats, offering both immune support and symptom relief. A few drops of tincture in water can be taken daily during cold season or more frequently at the first sign of illness. You can also brew it as a tea with other immune-boosting herbs. Spilanthes is a time-tested way to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Spilanthes' numbing effect is just the start. It's also a potent pain reliever and anti-inflammatory. Spilanthes blocks pain signals and calms inflammation, making it useful for sore muscles, stiff joints, and even insect bites. Topical creams and oils with Spilanthes can soothe aches and reduce swelling. Scientific studies confirm its ability to inhibit inflammatory pathways, similar to some conventional drugs. For arthritis or minor injuries, Spilanthes addresses both pain and its root cause. Its versatility bridges ancient herbal wisdom and modern science. Keep a Spilanthes salve or oil in your first aid kit for natural relief. It's a practical, plant-based solution for everyday discomfort. Adding Spilanthes to your routine is easy and flexible. Tinctures are the most convenient. Just add drops to water for immune or oral support. For mouth care, make a quick mouthwash by mixing tincture with water and swishing. Apply tincture directly to canker sores or sore teeth for fast relief. For pain or inflammation, use Spilanthes infused oils or salves on sore muscles or irritated skin. You can make your own oil by infusing dried flowers in olive or coconut oil. Chew a fresh leaf for instant oral relief, or brew a tea from dried parts for a soothing drink. Spilanthes fits easily into daily wellness, whether you prefer tinctures, teas, or topicals. Making your own Spilanthes remedies at home is not only simple, but also incredibly rewarding. With just a few basic ingredients and a little bit of time, you can create natural, effective products that support your health and well-being. Spilanthes, sometimes called the toothache plant, is known for its unique tingling sensation and its traditional use in soothing oral discomfort, but its benefits go far beyond that. Let's explore a few easy recipes you can try in your own kitchen. One of the simplest ways to use Spilanthes is by making Spilanthes infused honey. To do this, fill a clean glass jar about halfway with dried Spilanthes flowers. Then, pour raw, local honey over the flowers until they are completely covered. Seal the jar tightly and place it on a sunny windowsill, allowing the mixture to infuse for at least 2 to 4 weeks. The honey will take on the plant's unique flavor and properties, creating a delicious and soothing remedy. Once your honey is ready, you can use a spoonful to help soothe sore throats, ease coughs, or simply add it to your favorite herbal tea for a gentle immune boost. The tingling sensation from Spilanthes can also help numb minor mouth irritations, making this honey a great addition to your home remedy collection. Another easy recipe is a natural mouthwash. Start by brewing a strong tea using dried Spilanthes flowers. Let them steep in hot water for about 15 minutes to extract their beneficial compounds. Once the tea has cooled to room temperature, add a few drops of peppermint oil for a refreshing flavor and extra antibacterial power. This homemade mouthwash is free from harsh chemicals and can be customized to your taste. Pour the finished mouthwash into a clean glass bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Use a small amount daily to freshen your breath, support healthy gums, and enjoy the gentle numbing effect that Spilanthes provides. It's a simple, natural way to care for your oral health. For topical use, you can make a Spilanthes infused oil. Gently heat dried Spilanthes flowers in a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil, being careful not to let it get too hot. After about an hour, strain out the flowers and pour the infused oil into a clean bottle. This oil can be used for massage, to soothe sore muscles, or as a nourishing base for homemade salves and balms. To make a soothing salve, simply combine your Spilanthes-infused oil with melted beeswax. Stir the mixture until it thickens, then pour it into small tins or jars. Once cooled, this salve can be applied to joints, irritated skin, or anywhere you need a little extra comfort. It's a wonderful way to harness the plant's natural properties for everyday use. With just a few simple steps, you can create a variety of Spilanthes remedies right at home. These recipes are easy to customize and allow you to enjoy the many benefits of this remarkable plant, all while connecting with the tradition of herbal medicine. Give them a try and discover how Spilanthes can become a valuable part of your natural wellness routine. Exploring Spilanthes is exciting, but remember, this is educational, not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new herb, especially if you have allergies, are pregnant, or take medications. A qualified provider can help you determine if Spilanthes is right for you and guide you on safe use. Herbal remedies support wellness but don't replace professional care for serious conditions. Use this information as a starting point for conversations with your health advisor. Responsible, informed use of herbs honors both your health and the wisdom of nature. The best results come from blending ancient knowledge with modern medical guidance. Your well-being deserves thoughtful, personalized care. Spilanthes is a testament to the healing power of plants. Its tingle, pain relief, and immune support show nature's elegant solutions. Exploring herbs like Spilanthes reconnects us with ancient traditions and the world around us. Start simply. Brew a tea, make an infused oil, or learn to identify a new plant. Each step builds your knowledge and confidence in natural wellness. Embracing herbal health empowers you to take charge of your well-being. Share this journey with others, and keep exploring the wisdom of nature's pharmacy. Thank you for joining me. Here's to your vibrant, herbal-powered health.